Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a different video, somewhat of a product review unboxing, but really it's dedicated to us custom painters out there. I've been painting for over 15 years, and when I started I would go buy store-bought lures and shoot paint over the top of them, or get some sandpaper and rough them up and paint over them, or eventually stepped up and got a sandblaster where I could strip all the paint off. Anyway, that's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, and if you're painting over paint and clear coats, you are changing the weight of that particular lure. So then, like most custom painters, we've reached out and found a lot of these different retailers out there that are selling knockoff baits. I have painted hundreds, maybe thousands of knockoff baits, and I like them. I've got some really all-time favorites. Some of my favorite places, as you can see in the video description below, I leave links to Predator Bass Baits, also known as Unpainted Crankbaits, Dinger Customs, Alternative Lures, Cedar Run Outdoors, 74 Customs. I have purchased knockoff blank lures from many companies, including from companies overseas. And that speeds the process up. For the most part, the sellers that I have continued to use, those that I've mentioned, they run good and they stand behind the product. But I was surfing the old interweb the other day, and I ran across this little package right here. Pradco Outdoors, major fishing manufacturing company in Fort Smith, Arkansas, 45 minutes from my house. And a part of that business is lurenet.com. I was browsing around, got on there and seen a custom paint section, clicked on it, and ran across a bundle that you could buy, 4 different bodies that they're offering, 2 from Norman, 1 from Hedden, and seemed like maybe a Bandit product on there. You get 6 baits, all the packaging, all the hooks and hardwares for about $35 shipped. Thought that was a steal. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of take a look at that. Come on over here and check this out. So inside that, you get 6 lure packaging backs. You get the labels. You get the blister packs, as I call them. You get the hooks. You get the split rings for all 6 lures. And in this particular deal, we got Norman deep little ends, and as well as a cool little bag that you can haul your baits to the creek, or throw them in your boat, or come back and maybe store soft plastic or something like that in them. But now let's switch camera angles. Let's zoom in here and show you what we got. So what we've got here is we've got 6 deep little ends, and like I said, we got all the hooks and hardware. We've got the packaging for those particular lures. Really sweet little deal. It just cuts a lot of time out of painting crankbaits. And the Norman deep little end is an all-time favorite of mine as far as crankbaiting goes. This lure does extremely well in rocky terrain, as well as coming through timber. It has just been around for a long time, and it has passed the test of time. This lure is a really good crankbait, and it has got a great profile, and we're going to put some great patterns on that. So again, as you can see, a Norman deep little end. This one here, you can tell it looks just a little different. because all you need to do now is rough that up with a little bit of sandpaper. I just use an automotive grade 600 grit or 800 grit. I just lightly scuff it up, and it's ready to paint. Take the bills off and go to work. Got your packaging, so if you're planning on selling those, if you hang them for display in the tackle store. So until next week, Green Country Custom Baits signing out. Hope you guys like this. Hope this was informative, and I hope you guys will take advantage of this great product. I am not an affiliate of LureNet.com, but I truly like the Norman crankbaits, and I'm hoping maybe they'll come out with some Bandits and some of their other lines from Booyah. So till next week, guys, Green Country Custom Baits signing out.